Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need minimal gear, rear camera, steady support, and either native macro mode or manual focus app. Get close, about 1 to 3 cm for many phone lenses, and hold still. Once steady, lock focus and exposure so the phone stops hunting. Make micro adjustments with the lens or phone position rather than tapping. If available, attach a clip-on macro lens to increase magnification. Start with a simple subject and a plain background, so you can see focus changes immediately and keep momentum. Now refine. Light is everything. Diffuse sunlight or a small LED panel softens shadows and reveals texture. Make sure to position lights at an angle to bring out detail. For focus, slide your phone in tiny increments rather than refocusing repeatedly. Use magnified preview or focus peaking to confirm sharp areas. Compose tightly, place the subject off-center, and mind the background so it doesn't distract. Once done, take several frames with slight shifts in angle and distance for safety and choice during editing. Finish strong, capture RAW or the highest quality file, and bracket exposures by about 1/2 stop to preserve detail. Once home, crop to tighten composition, apply selective sharpening to the focal plane, and use noise reduction only where needed. Adjust white balance to correct color casts, and consider focus stacking if depth is critical. If your photos turn out soft, make one key fix, add more continuous light, lower ISO, and reshoot with a sturdier support. This addresses the most common sharpness problem immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.